Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk about health, wellness, and how to feel your best every day. Today we're focusing on something that's been getting a lot of attention lately, and that's gut health. So if you've been dealing with bloating, weight gain, discomfort, or even fatigue, it might be your gut trying to tell you something. But why is gut health so important? I want you to think of your gut like the engine of your body, and inside it has trillions of microorganisms, some good, some bad, but they all play a key role in keeping you healthy. So you need a balance of good and bad bacteria, but if this gets disrupted by things like stress, poor diet, or other factors, it can lead to symptoms like inflammation or low energy. A lot of people ask me, what supplements can I take for gut health? Or I've gone online and I've looked and I'm so confused. There's so many things out there. And so I wanted to just go over today some of my favorite products that I recommend to my patients and what each one does. And so the first thing we have here is a bottle of probiotics. And probiotics are good for supporting the microbiome or the community of microorganisms that are in your gut. Probiotics are like the superheroes of your gut microbiome. And so when you put beneficial bacteria from specific probiotic strains, it helps reduce the population of pathogenic bacteria, but also funguses and yeast, which are also in your gut. This is super important when you have conditions like IBS, SIBO, or leaky gut. So next we have fiber. With fiber, we also have a need for prebiotics. And so this particular product here has both of those combined, which help regulate bowel movements. So fiber and prebiotics feed your good bacteria, but also help support that healthy microbiome. And this is a product called Prebiotic Greens, and it's from a company called Transparent Labs. It tastes really great. It has healthy greens and fiber combined into one product. Also remember that fiber and prebiotics are also naturally found in certain veggies and grains. So you always want to try and get your nutrients from foods first, because food is medicine. Okay, now let's talk about BCAAs, or branched chain amino acids. BCAAs are critical for muscle repair and growth. BCAAs are directly metabolized in the muscles and not in the liver. So if you're on, say, Ozempic or semaglutide, BCAAs are a great choice because it does help preserve muscle tissue and it doesn't have to go through the liver to be processed. This particular formula also has 5 grams of glutamine, and I do recommend around 4 to 5 grams per day of glutamine for my patients who need to repair the lining of their gut. And it also helps reduce bloating and also helps support healthy digestion. Now, you might have heard of whey protein, and whey protein is a form of protein that's very digestible. It's not just for gym goers, it's very bioavailable and it absorbs easily. Every cell in your body needs protein, and whey is low in lactose, so if you're dairy sensitive, it's a little bit easier to process whey versus casein, which is the other type of protein. But the nice thing about whey is it's also rich in immunoglobulins, which also repair the gut lining. Now, this particular product is a form of whey that's 100% grass-fed. There's no added ingredients. It tastes great. And for me personally, it actually doesn't irritate my gut. So this is one of the ones I personally use as well. If you are dairy sensitive or can't tolerate whey, you probably would already know that, but there are also plant-based alternatives too. So these 3 products are from a company called Transparent Labs. And this is one of my most recommended brands that I give to my patients. So if you are interested in these products, I do have an exclusive 10% off on your order. So to grab your 10% off, all you need to do is head over to transparentlabs.com/Michael72760. We'll post that link down below so you can easily access that. You can add these products or any products on their website to your order and get the 10% off. All right, finally, we have fermented foods, and 2 of my favorites are sauerkraut and kimchi. So fermenting vegetables allows beneficial bacteria to break down sugars, and this is good for gut health because they contain live probiotics that feed your gut, and that helps you fight off infections and also boost your overall immune health. So I recommend fermented foods be part of your meals about 2 to 3 times per week. But remember, supplements aren't one size fits all. Your body is unique, and what works for one person might not work for you. Lab tests like stool analysis can tell you about the diversity of your bacteria in your gut, look for signs of inflammation, or even identify parasites. Other tests, like those for gut permeability, or what we call leaky gut, can help you understand if there's any damage to your intestinal lining. The best part about these tests is it helps us create a personalized plan tailored specifically for you, so there's no more guessing about which product you need or which one would be the best for you or how much should you take. So together, that's what we can do, is pinpoint exactly what your gut needs to heal and thrive. So that could be dietary changes, it could be supplements, or it could be something else entirely. Taking control of your health can feel overwhelming, I get it. But remember, every step you take, like testing, eating healthier, or making small lifestyle changes, is one small step towards making yourself feel better, and it gets you more in control of your body. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of why gut health is so important and how you can start your own health journey. If you have any questions, or if there's something specific you want me to cover, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And in my next video, we'll be taking a deeper dive specifically into how gut health can have a similar effect to the latest weight loss drugs like semaglutide. So like and subscribe for more tips and info on living your healthiest life, and I'll see you next time.